Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Zad Adventures. Today I'll be showing you how to transform this 1-month-old African threading as a protective hairstyle to look like a brand new one.
So my friend here, she'll be doing a 6-month challenge for hair growth with African threading. So now we are starting by using a single thread and we'll be wrapping it around the new growth. So guys, don't judge me because I'm not a professional hairstylist. This is my DIY. I just came across it and just wanted to make it and see what it will come of it. It's almost noon and we are almost done, guys. We're just remaining with a few, so let's continue. At this point now, guys, I'm already tired, but we are just remaining with only 2 pieces, so let us keep going. And I'm also currently doing my 6-month hair challenge with Afro threading, so I'm in my 3 months now, so I'll be letting you know my growth and how much my hair has grown, how many inches it has grown since January. So we'll see how long it has grown. So my friend here, she's also doing the challenge to see how it will do for her hair. So let us keep going and see what will happen. I know it's hard to do the 6-month challenge, but well, I hope we'll have that strength to go until the 6th month. So guys, this is the last piece of hair that we'll be doing, and let me know what you think about the final look, what you think about African threading for hair growth and length retention. Let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. So ciao ciao.